Your kitchen cupboards and countertops are among the most valuable real estate in your entire home. Here's how to keep those hard-working spaces clean and clutter-free with the help of a few ordinary household items. If you've got a stack of rarely used pie plates in your kitchen cupboards, you might as well put them to work. What I want you to do is take the plate that's second from the top of the stack and fill it with ordinary glass marbles. You want that layer of marbles to be just one marble deep, but you do want it to cover the entire base of the pie plate. Next, replace the topmost plate in the stack. You'll notice that the marbles act like ball bearings, allowing the top plate to spin freely. What you've just done is created a DIY Lazy Susan. It's a great way to keep all of your spices within easy reach in the cupboard. Ever notice how reusable bags have a habit of multiplying in your kitchen cupboards? Well, the easiest way to keep them under control is with a basic carabiner clip like we have here. All we're going to do is take the handles of our shopping bags and feed them through the carabiner clip. Not only does this keep them neat and tidy, but the next time you go grocery shopping, you can just clip it to the side of your grocery cart. There's nothing worse than going to throw something in the trash bin only to have the entire garbage bag fall in after it. And this is often a problem when you use ordinary plastic shopping bags as your garbage bags, because they're always a little bit too small for the standard size trash bin. To get around this, I want you to grab 2 adhesive wall hooks and paste them on either end of your trash bin. The next time you go to replace your garbage bag, simply loop the handles over the hooks. That way, no matter how full you fill that bag, it's never going to drop to the bottom of the bin again. For more great hacks, go to readersdigest.ca.